Hi, I'm Merle Braley with All American Thrills, and I'm here at Carowinds in Charlotte, North Carolina. There's a big meteor event here, and they're expecting some huge announcement of some exciting ride. And I brought my quadricopter, little drone, 2.5-pound drone, and I'm going to see if I can get some video later on today after the announcement. Stick around.
Gang, Jim Bowers here from All American Thrills on the West Coast. And we've got Brandon Strupower joining us over on the East Coast, going to tell us a little bit about a brand new ride that's opening up.
Oh yeah, Carowinds has announced Fury 325, which is the world's tallest and fastest giga coaster. We were there at the announcement. We also brought ALTair, so we got some amazing aerial footage.
And I understand we had a local ALTair correspondent out there?
Yes, we did. Merle Braley went and he covered the announcement for us. He is the one who flew ALTair at the announcement. I talked to him a few days ago. He had a wonderful time there. He had lots of fun.
Hello, my name is Merle Braley. I'm an aerial videographer from Chapel Hill, North Carolina. I use a small 2.5-pound drone, which allows me to put my camera anywhere I wish, from ground level up to 400 feet.
When is this ride going to open? When can we actually ride it?
It'll be opening in spring 2015, so maybe like April or May. Oh yes, in addition to building the new coaster, Carowinds is also totally redoing and building a brand new entrance plaza to their park. So where you go in and enter the park, there's going to be new ticket services. There's going to be new season pass processing center, new entry to the park, and the coaster will actually be flying both underneath that and over top of it. So as you're entering the park, first there's a little bridge, and coaster will be flying underneath it, and then also as you go a little bit forward, flying over you. So right when you enter the park, you're going to be hit with this monster. 3 minutes and 25 seconds long. The capacity is very impressive. There are 3 32-person trains, so the hourly capacity is approximately 1,400 people, close to 1,500 people per hour. So the line should be moving pretty fast.
Yeah.
And a kind of fun statistic here, looking at the fact sheet, amount of steel that they're going to be using is 2,700 tons of steel.
And where this coaster was going to go again?
It'll be going 95 miles per hour.
Oh my God, that is going to be one screaming coaster. All right, gang, that's going to do it for another All-American Thrills news update. I'm Jim Bowers out here on the West Coast.
And I'm Brandon Strupower out here on the East Coast.
All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube videos. We're giving away great prizes every month to new random subscribers. We'll see you the next time.
See ya.